A game fence, field fence, or barrier fence can be quite challenging to install. If you do not know this simple method of installing and stretching it using a wire puller, watch this straightforward tutorial and tell me which part do you need help. How best can I help you? Tell me in the comments.
The game fence or field fence, barrier fence comes in 100-meter rows. So they put a paper here which shows the height and the length. So where there is a paper, that is where the starting point is. So here we are just seeing there are hooks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's length. But you just remove these hooks, then you start the process. Okay, so when installing this game fence, field fence, or barrier fence, using this wire puller here, before you do anything, you need something like an iron bar, which is straight, so that you put it here like this. So you put it at the edge here, then tie it to the barrier fence, so that the wire puller here, this hook here to hook this iron bar here, and this other hook will go to the pole. Like when you are pulling, you pull this iron bar here like this. As you pull the iron bar pulls the game fence at once. So that's the deal.
So if you don't know how to use or how to connect this wire puller or this come along, you're at the right place. You know why? Because I've already posted a video telling you how to operate this come along or wire puller. What you have to do is just like this video, subscribe to my channel, then view my channel. You will find the video right there waiting for you. When pulling, make sure the fence is raised and use this tying wire to tie it to the eye strain. And so after that, make sure after you have raised it, you can now pull using your come along. And also this iron bar here, you have to make sure that it is straight and it is tension resistant. See the hook should be on the center so that the forces will be transmitted upwards and downwards. Also, the forces will be transmitted throughout the whole fence. Here we can see that the fence has been successfully pulled. So your hook should be at the center of the iron bar, as you can see right there.
This is 1.2, so here is 60 centimeters in between the 2 points, because we are using one puller here, so we put it at center, which is 60 centimeters, just between the height we have. If it is 2 meters, we have to put it 1 meter. Okay, so if we are using 2 pullers, put one at this point and the other one here, then pull from once, obviously. So here, because we are using one, we put it here at the center, 60 centimeters, so that the force here will be transmitted up here and then down here, as you can see in this shape, so that the forces here will be transmitted here and there. The force will be transmitted throughout the whole fence once. Okay, so now we are going to untie this one. How do we do it? The basic thing is here. Okay, see. So as I'm going to push this spring up, push them, and this one to go up. Right. So let's start. Look at it. This here. Look at it. You see? Open it now. Alright.
And this is a replay for you to see clearly what I'm talking about. Look at those hooks. Look. I think you can see that they
open it now. Alright. Then you pull it all the way. Then you push it. Then you play. Then that is when you come. See? You press like this. Pushing it. Press. Push. Press. Press. this point we substitute something like this, so you operate it from afar, right? Then again push it, then push it, the same again, push it, then push this one again, slowly, done. Austin, then next move here, move from this side again, then we are done. Then yeah. Okay, let's go.
So I think you can see that I'm done stretching my game fence. Or barrier fence, and it's looking fantastic. I think you can see it's very clear that it has been successfully installed. So you just have to follow the steps that I just showed. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.